Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is News Hour Special Edition this Saturday night, and I am Hina Gambhir. But before we talk about our debate number one, we have a big breaking update coming in for you at this point in time, and this is about the big scandal that had hit Delhi High Court. In fact, we have some big breaking news coming in. The Chief Justice of India has constituted a 3-member committee, and that committee, in fact, is going to be looking into the case pertaining to the Delhi High Court judge from whose house, as per sources, wads of cash, in fact, was recovered. And this particular committee will be conducting an inquiry into the allegations against Mr. Yashwant Verma, Justice Yashwant Verma, a sitting judge of the High Court of Delhi. The Chief Justice of High Court of Delhi, for the time being, has been asked not to assign any judicial work to Justice Yashwant Verma. The report submitted by the Chief Justice of the High Court of Delhi, in fact, and response of Justice Yashwant Verma and other documents are awaited, and some of them are being uploaded on Supreme Court website as well. Harish, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Harish, this is an important update coming in. The Chief Justice of India has constituted a 3-member committee.
Yes, that's right. But the biggest indication is that the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court may have perhaps indicted Justice Yashwant Verma, and he also might have refused to resign. That is the reason why the Chief Justice might have constituted a 3-member committee. Otherwise, if the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court had absolved him, given a clean sheet, the matter would have been closed, like we have been reporting since morning. And also, remember, he might have also refused to resign. That is why, as per the in-house procedure rules of the Supreme Court, Chief Justice, in a very big development, has constituted as a 3-member committee consisting of Mr. Justice Sheel Nagu, Chief Justice of High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Justice G.S. Sandhawalia, Chief Justice of High Court of Himachal, and Anush Shivraman, Judge of High Court of Karnataka, for conducting an inquiry into the allegation against Justice Yashwant Verma, a sitting judge of the High Court of Delhi, from whose house weights of notes were recovered following a fire on the day of Holi. And second biggest point from the Supreme Court press release is that Chief Justice of the High Court of the Delhi, for the time being, of the High Court of Delhi, for the time being, has been asked not to assign any judicial work to Justice Yashwant Verma, a demand which was being made by several legal luminaries on Times Now, including Harish Salve and Mukul Rohatgi.
Right.
And the third point is the report submitted by Chief Justice of High Court of Delhi. Response of Justice Yashwant Verma and other documents are being uploaded on the Supreme Court website, and very soon we will be able to break the details of that also to our viewers.
All right, Harish, thank you very much for joining us with this important update.